Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video we are going to see that if you are facing this exception, unknown software exception error 0xc0000409, how we can easily fix that. So there are a couple of solutions for that. So without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. So what we can firstly do is just go to the start menu and right here control panel. And from here, just make sure that you are under the category view. If you're in some other view, just change it to category view and you will see an interface like that. So from here, under the bottom, you can see the programs and click on uninstall a program. We are not going to uninstall anything, but we are just going to locate the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable package. So you have a lot of files for that. Just click on the one which shows you this icon, this PC kind of icon. Just select the first one from here and click on change. And from here, we are just going to repair this and click yes. And when it shows you this setup successful, just go and do the same for the next one. Just go and repair that. We are not going to uninstall anything here. We are just going to repair this. So if it shows you again this message, this program might not have uninstalled correctly, you can just uncheck that. Because we are not uninstalling anything, and just do the same process if you have a couple of more. So let me just quickly do this for others ones. So once we are done, just close this and just close that. And from here, just go to the start menu and right here CMD, hit enter, and just right here SFC, give it a space, and right here scan now. Just make sure that scan now should be one word without the spaces. And actually there is a forward slash and right here scan now, and then hit enter and it will start the process. So if you have not logged in as an administrator, just close this and just go to the start menu again and right click, run as administrator, and just use this command again, SFC, give it a space, forward slash scan now, hit enter, and it should start the process. So we will wait until the verification is complete and then I'll show you the further process. And then if the problem was there, you will see a different message right here, but here I didn't have any problems. So Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity problems. So let's get out of here and just restart your PC, and that should solve the problem. So guys, that's pretty much it. I hope this helps, and if it did, like the video and comment down below if it works, and I will see you in the next one.